Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking sales post for your social media. If you're interested in designing a sales post for your products or business, then this video is for you. If you have no experience with design or creativity, you don't have to worry. Canva allows you to modify and customize templates already created by professional designers. You can simply modify a template and create your own post. Go to Canva and create an account. After that, go to the search bar and search for a sale Instagram post. We are creating a post for Instagram, so that's why we search for it. You can see the Canva templates available for you to explore. Browse through all the options. Go to the sales section, and now you can see all the sales templates here. You can choose whichever template you like and whichever one meets your expectations. For now, maybe I'll go with this one. Or perhaps this one. I'll go with this one. This one is free and looks good. You can explore the available templates and choose whichever one you like. Select it and customize the template. Now you can see that I have full access to modify whatever I want. If I want to change something, I can do so. I have complete control. For this process, I'll go with this one. Now, let's start with text customization. What can you do with your text? To add or edit text, just double-click on it, and like this. You can add or remove any text. You just need to double-click on it and add your own text. For more features, just click on the text. These are the features you can use for text customization. You can change the font, and this option is for changing colors. You can make the text bold, italic, or underlined. Like this. You can try them out. These are basic features that you can easily understand. That covers the text customization features available to you. Now, let's move on to the background color. If you want to change the background color, simply click on the background and go to the background color option. Then choose whichever color you like. Maybe I'll go with this one. If you want to replace the template's image with your own, go to the Upload section and upload an image from your computer. Your image will appear here. Then, simply drag and drop the image. Your image will replace the original one, like this. Just drag and drop. If you want to add more elements or experiment with the design, go to the stroke style and add a stroke, or change the stroke color. For example, white. In the same way, you can add or remove the stroke. Add a stroke and change the stroke color to white. In a similar way, you can add your own text, details, and information, as well as your own image, branding colors, and other elements. When you're finished making the modifications and adjustments, rename your file before downloading it. Then, go to the Share option, select Download, and download it in PNG or any other available format. This process allows you to create an Instagram post within a few minutes. Now, download it and you're ready to upload your sales post to your social media.